सोने दो।
अरे बाबा क्या सोने दे लुल्लू।
It's Sunday today. Let me sleep.
संडे हो या मंडे, खाना जरूर है खाना।
Let me sleep for 5 minutes, then I'll come.
1 मिनट भी नहीं।
Okay, come on. I'll make you some paneer barbecue.
देखो मुझे नाम तो समझ में नहीं आया, लेकिन मुझे पता है कुछ अंग्रेजी तरोताजा बढ़िया ब्रेकफास्ट मिलने वाला है। लुल्लू चल जल्दी रेडी हो जा खाने के लिए।
So today, Lulu, we are making some paneer barbecue, and for the ingredients, we have paneer, we have some garnishes and chili, some cut vegetables, onion, capsicum, garlic, corn flour, and a few of our sauces and spices.
ये अंग्रेजी में जितने भी सामग्रियों का नाम बताए हैं, ये खाने में तो स्वादिष्ट लगेंगे ना कनिष्को भैया?
Yeah, it will be very tasty. So let's start.
So first, we'll take the paneer, that is cottage cheese, and knife. Be careful while using a knife. Don't cut yourself.
मैं बहुत ध्यान से यूज करता हूँ नाइफ।
And we'll just make some designs on the paneer, and this will give us a good texture towards the end.
क्या आप आमतौर पे अंग्रेजी में ही बात करते हो, हिंदी में बिल्कुल भी नहीं?
Yes, Lulu, that's right. I talk just in English.
कोई बात नहीं, आज लुल्लू एडजस्ट कर लेगा।
Thank you.
तो दर्शकों, मुझे तो ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन आपको बखूबी समझ आ रहा होगा कि हम डिज़ाइनदार तरीके से पनीर को पहले काट लेते हैं, उसके बाद इसको तेल में तलेंगे।
So now that's ready. We'll take our soy sauce, open it up, just put it everywhere. Soy sauce is done. Take your oregano.
सोया सॉस डालकर उस पर ढेर सारी अंग्रेजी जड़ी बूटियों का मिश्रण डाल देना है।
This is black pepper. That all over our dish.
दर्शकों, इसे हिंदी में काली मिर्च बोलते हैं।
फिर some salt और a bit more of our soy sauce.
फिर से नमक डाल के फिर से सोया सॉस डाल दिया है।
Take a bit of our oil and just put it all over.
ये हमने तेल डाल दिया है।
Corn flour ऊपर डाल के now you just mix it properly and make sure it goes in everywhere. तो ये it'll become something like this paste. Coat it properly, flip it around, get the soy sauce, take more corn flour.
तो ये भुट्टो का पिसा हुआ आटा डाल के हमने इसको अच्छे से रगड़ दिया है।
More oil and your paneer or cottage cheese is now pretty much ready. Now we are going to go and fry this, and you can see the texture over here. This is what's going to give it the crunch. So now let's fry.
Okay.
So first we'll start up our stove, get some oil in and let it heat up. When that's heating up, we'll take this, take your paneer and drop it in. Be careful, the oil might jump, so you have to be careful to not burn yourself. And the cottage cheese paneer is going to be very fragile, so move it around with care or it will break because of the score marks you did. And now we just wait for a few minutes.
Done.
Okay, now that's going. We are going to give it one more flip. Okay, it's a bit messy, but you can see the crunch, and that crunch is what's going to give it its taste. And this part, again, be careful. Okay, you see the crunch? That's exactly what we need.
देखिए कितना बढ़िया लाल हो गया है दूसरी तरफ से भी।
We're gonna fry it on the other end of it. Heating up the oil, it's cooking. And now that's cooking, I'm gonna get this dish. We're on the side, and that's gonna be a plating guide. You just wait a few minutes for this to get crunched up. And now we just wait. So that should be enough. Now we're gonna take our paneer. It's crispy almost on both ends. You can see it's falling, that's perfect. Just put it there, one by one.
कोनिष्को भैया, ये डिश आपने मेरे लिए बनाई है पहली बार या इससे पहले भी किसी के लिए बनाई है?
No, I've made it multiple times for multiple people, Lulu, and it's one of the fan favorites.
और कौन है वो?
Everyone, all of my friends, my family. Now we're gonna go to the next step. That's getting our salad, not salad, our vegetables ready. So just put it in. It's gonna squirt a bit. It's gonna go everywhere. So be careful. And you just let it fry till it's become golden brown and caramelized. Slow down the heat. And while that's happening, put a bit more oil. Put on chili flakes.
दर्शकों, कोनिष्को भैया ने रंग बिरंगी सब्जियां डालने के बाद फिर से वही अंग्रेजी जड़ी बूटियों का मिश्रण डाल दिया है। नाम मुझे पता नहीं, वो आप समझ लीजिएगा।
Bit of our mirchi and some of these for our garnishing texture. And now that's frying. I'm gonna go get a soy sauce.
फिर से सोया सॉस डाल दिया है। ये सोया सॉस ज्यादा खाने से सो तो नहीं जाऊंगा मैं।
Bit more salt. And now you just let it cook for a bit. Still gonna let it fry out a bit because we need this thing to cover this paneer so it looks better. So now we just wait, let it cook, let it sweat down, become more softer. You can see it's changing the color and it's changing our texture. You can see how everything's become much smaller, and that's exactly what we need. And that should be good enough. So turn off the stove, be careful about that. Stove's off, fire's off. You take this, put it all over there.
चलिए, कोनिष्को भैया ने सब्जियों को पनीर पर उड़ेल दिया है। अब लग रहा है ये बनकर तैयार हो गया है।
Okay, Lulu, here's our dish and it's ready. Now what we'll just do, get some coriander and just sprinkle it over there. This gives it a good look. And as you can see, our dish is ready and you're free to take in.
वाह 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 वाह, चलिए जल्दी से मुझे खाने दीजिए, फिर मैं बात करूंगा।
Bye, Lulu.
बाय बाय।
To Konishko, Dinku Dada. Love you a lot from Lulu. Meet you again after a year.